Oh, look at that headlight. There is only one of these cars in the world. Just one. This is the big one there. Oh, these rims. Any guesses so far? You might have seen it somewhere. Oh. I've got to be so careful, you guys. Like, this is Mercedes' baby. And come around the back. Can we see the back? Check that out. Woo! 8 exhaust pipes. Where have you ever seen that before? What this looks like here, they've mirrored this exact look here with the air vents. They've got 8 air vents here in the middle. Okay. I'm gonna do the butt burst technique. Woo! Where is it? Okay, here. Come with me. Come with me for this experience. Look at this steering wheel. So this is kind of like the Project One, that kind of shape, right? Just Batman style. And then this actually lights up here in the center, which looks quite cool. All of these dials are directed towards the driver in the center console. And then there's those 8 air vents as well. This car is so special, it's got 2 bodyguards. That is mad.